Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to install this telescope USB camera, which has auto diameter here 1.25 inch, similar to many eyepieces that are used on a telescope. Okay, we want to use this on this microscope. This is an Microscope model number is T120. Now the place that I want to install it is on this side here. Okay. Now first of all, we have to tell you some dimensions which are very important. Okay, and I usually used to use this. Okay, which is here the side. This here, so this side here is a 23.2 millimeters, which is very much similar to the eyepieces of a microscope. See, the same size. Okay, maybe this is thinner a little bit, the walls here. Okay, but it's the same. Okay, it's the same. So we can just simply, if we want to install it like this, and then I can install the camera like this. Okay. Now, just for more explanation, just to tell you what's this piece here. Okay, this one is a T adapter. Okay, for the DSLR camera. Okay, this side is M42, and as I told you, this is M23.2. Okay, 23.2 millimeters. Okay, so therefore this is here because this has to be installed. If it has to be installed, it can be installed this side. This here is M42 from inside, the female side, and this side, okay, is the 1.25 inch. Okay, so this means, okay, I can get my DSLR camera like I told you. This is just a barrel lens for a telescope. Okay, so this is the ring here. Okay, you should buy the ring and then install it on the camera. Then you can use these T rings. Okay, T adapters, I mean, and then install it like this. Okay, see, it's held. So I can later install it this way. Okay, and we start taking pictures. Okay, but there's another way which can allow me to install the camera like this. Okay, by using this adapter, or this is a ring. Okay, this is written on it C to M42, C to M42. Okay, which means from the outside is 42 millimeters, from inside is a C mount, which is 25 millimeters. Okay, and it's supposed to be installed this way. This way. Okay, and the other side will be the camera like this. Don't wanna like run the screws. Okay, I installed it completely. So yes, it's like this. It will go like this. Okay, and and as you can see, it's yeah, we can also, if you want, use this. Okay, like this, as long as some 42. Okay, it can go like this. Just okay, and then I can install the on the C mount. on the C hole. Yeah, it's on. Okay, this way I removed this length. Okay, the length of this, which was here. Okay, and then I can install this way. But still, okay, this does not reach this the tip over here. Okay, does not. Okay, there's still some space over here. Okay, I can prove it. Okay, so I should remove this. Okay, if you look with me, okay, here I must get the caliper gauge, but anyway, it's okay. So you can see that this amount, see my finger how deep it is. Okay, so let's say like this. So it's like this. Okay, something like this. Yeah, so this is where the camera is reaching. So they have this space. Okay, it's still lost. I feel it's lost. Okay, I think it's, you can say it's lost, because the whole idea is that you should allow the stage of the microscope, okay, to have more freedom in movement. Okay, when you want to focus, okay, so it'll have more freedom, okay, to focus. So, and more liberty, if you want to say. So there's another way. I invented it. Okay, and there is a one that's already there, but it's expensive. So I'm trying to tell you a cheaper way. Okay, which is you get these filters, especially those filters. Why? Those are cheap, $2 only. Those are color filters. Okay, here those are meant for the eyepieces of a telescope. Okay, they sit underneath it. Okay, this way, and similarly with the camera too, like this. Okay, now what we're going to do is remove this glass, not break it. You can remove it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how. Okay, and get one of those rings, the C2M42, and glue them like this. Okay, or this, the way you feel it's the correct way, where you can put the filter, okay, inside the DSLR camera later if you want to use it this way. So you can put the ring like this. Okay, which, like I told you, it just has to sit on top like this with the presence of the ring. So yeah, so it will be something later, finally. Okay, it will look like this after you glue it. Okay, with the super glue. Get the super glue and read those. Read on the directions of the or the guide that's written on the super glue, whether it can take metals and glue metals. Okay, so this here you have C2M42. Okay, and this side we have glued the filter. Okay, that's on filter. This one is not actually, or really should be used for on viewing the sun with your telescope. Don't buy them to view the sun. Okay, and don't use them to view the sun. Okay, there are special filters like the Astro Solar filter from Bader to see and observe the solar sunspots. Okay, the sunspots. Now, so this side will be M28, which is the threads, the screw, which is screw threads M28 for the eyepiece, and it will be like this. Okay, similarly we can install the camera now, same way. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you how to remove the glass, don't break it, from the filter. Okay, if you look carefully, there are some teeth here. Okay, there's some not teeth, I mean some grooves, little grooves over here. Okay, you just turn them. Okay, you will get finally, after you remove them, okay, like a screw, you'll just turn them like a screw. So look at this. This is what you'll get. Okay, this is what's holding the glass. This is glass. Okay, this is what's holding it. So it's like this, and on top of the filter. Okay, so use your nails on your finger, okay, to be able to remove this ring, okay, from the color filter, and then finally you'll get this. So this way I made it very short, okay. This distance I made it too short, okay, as much as I can with a very cheap price. Okay, so this is like, you can say $5 if you want to say, with shipping. Okay, this is the CM42, and I must remind you that like this one does not have an edge, okay, where it should stop inside the DSLR camera, okay, so it can go deeper. This one has an edge, okay, which means it can go into one side, does not go like, you can't just reciprocate it like this and put it from this side. It has to be this side, okay. This one has this kind of edge, okay. It depends if you want it like that, okay, but it helps you if you want to add the or glue it like I told you, like this, and this this color filter will go deep in the hole of the camera of the DSLR, okay, go in the bottom, okay. And if you want, you can use it as another color filter that sits in the from inside, okay. And that's it, guys. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like our channel.